Hello, we are students of the Aquatic Biotechnology subject taught by Dr. Lourdes Mariana Díaz Tenorio. The team is made up of Leslie Aremi García Valenzuela and Sandy Guillén Gallardo. The molecule of interest that we will tell about is hepcidin.
What is hepcidin? Hepcidin is a peptide of liver origin with antibacterial properties. Antibacterial peptides are characterized by being rich in cysteines. In the case of hepcidin, history of the amino acid sequence reveal the existence of a total of 8 cysteines in the primary structure of the protein, as we can see in image 1. This high content of cysteines differentiates it from other antibacterial peptides. This molecule is found in fish of the genus Oreochremis mosembicus.
Now we will talk about the species from which the molecule of interest is obtained. Oreochremis mosembicus is a species of fish of the Clyridae family in the order of the Perciformes. It is included in the list of the 100 most harmful invasive alien species in the world by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. It is a dark fish except for the female that is lighter. Its bluish-black body with red edge differentiates all its body chain, characteristic of tilapia. They are elongated and flattened on the sides, with large fins and a very thick and strong mouth. They can reach a depth of 39 cm in total length. The male is larger and highlights on his body, and on the fins the red edge is more intense. The dorsal fin of the male ends a point, while the female ends its oval fin. They can live in hot and cool waters. They are fish that adapt to their ecosystem easily with a life expectancy of around 5 years. In the image, you can see the mechanisms of action of hepcidin. Hepcidin regulates the function of ferroportin inside the cell. Ferroportin exports iron from the cell and discharges it into transferrin, which transports iron to the bone marrow and other organs in the intestine. Hepcidin regulates the absorption of iron in order to avoid an overload of this element in the body. The iron absorbed in the intestine is internalized in the cell, and the process explained initially is repeat.
As an application, the determination of hepcidin turned out to be a very useful diagnostic tool. It has an application as a central factor in anemia of chronic processes. The modulation of its bioactivity could of new treatment strategies for patients with anemia and other disorders of iron metabolism.
Why in such an important molecule? Hepcidin may be the main iron regulatory molecule, the mediator of anemia in chronic process, and a bridge between immunity and iron metabolism. Studies of the molecular mechanisms of molecular action of hepcidin could change our understanding of the regulation of iron transport and guide new therapies for hemochromatosis and anemia of chronic process.